Are you planning a trip to Japan? Whether you're exploring the neon streets of Tokyo, soaking in an onsen in Hakone, or hiking through the peaceful forests of Hokkaido, you'll want one thing from the moment you land: a fast, reliable internet connection. And trust me, nothing ruins a trip faster than arriving in a new country and not being connected. I used to deal with this all the time. Waiting in long airport lines to get a SIM card. Struggling with Japanese instructions. Dealing with random fees and slow connections. But all of that changed when I found LIKE eSIM. LIKE eSIM is a digital SIM, no physical card, no hunting for kiosks, no stress. All I did was download the LIKE app, choose a data plan that fit my trip, and I was connected the second my plane touched down. No waiting, no language barriers. No roaming charges. Just smooth, instant internet access, exactly when I needed it. And the coverage? Incredible. I've used other SIMs before, and in more remote areas, like mountain towns or smaller villages, signal would drop or data would slow to a crawl. With LIKE eSIM, I had fast, stable coverage everywhere. From the crowds of Shibuya to the quiet temples in Kyoto, I never lost connection. Google Maps worked. My social media uploaded in seconds. Even video calls to my family were crystal clear. And here's the kicker: LIKE's pricing is super transparent. With traditional SIM cards, you often don't know what you're paying for. You either overpay for too much data, or run out halfway through your trip. With LIKE, I picked a plan that matched my travel needs, whether it was for 3 days or 3 weeks. And if I needed more data, I could top up right from the app in a few seconds. No hidden fees, no contracts. Just simple, flexible pricing that makes sense. Another thing that really impressed me? Instant activation. Seriously, right after I landed, I turned on airplane mode, opened the app, and boom, data was live. No SIM swapping. No visiting a store. No waiting around. In a place like Japan, where time is precious and public transport moves fast, this kind of instant access is a must. And the app? Honestly, one of the best designed eSIM apps I've used. It's clean, simple, and actually helpful. I could monitor my data in real time, change plans, or top up with just a few taps. No glitches, no confusion. It just worked, and that gave me peace of mind. So if you're planning a trip to Japan this year, take my advice. Skip the SIM card drama. Skip the airport kiosks. Skip the surprise roaming charges. Download the LIKE app, choose your eSIM plan, and enjoy instant, reliable data across Japan, from city streets to mountaintops. Travel smart, stay connected, go with LIKE eSIM. Click the link in the description, get set up in minutes, and make sure your next trip to Japan is as smooth as it should be.